Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Whether you need a limited liability company, LLC, to sell products on Amazon depends on the type of business you run. For most sellers, Amazon does not require you to have an LLC. In general, selling under a sole proprietorship may be enough starting out and doesn't require you to have an LLC. But if you wish to expand and add members to your business, you should consider applying for an LLC for tax purposes, legal protection, and flexibility in ownership. Keep watching the video to learn what you need to sell on Amazon, the benefits of having an LLC, and how to open an LLC for Amazon. Before continuing the video, let's introduce you to Bizee. Bizee is a professional formation service company to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review of Bizee is also given in the description box down below. Now comes the important question: do you need a business license to sell on Amazon? When starting a business on Amazon, one of the first things to consider is whether you need a business license. Generally, you do not need a business license to sell on Amazon. Products and services sold online don't require government compliance to run a business on Amazon. For example, if you run a small to medium-sized business as a private label or an arbitrage seller, these types of businesses receive less scrutiny when selling on Amazon. But as you begin to scale your business and pursue larger projects such as wholesale operations, the legalities of business ventures begin to require federal approvals. Also, depending on where you live and the nature of your business, you may be required to obtain a business license before you can begin selling on Amazon. It is always a good idea to check with your local government to determine the specific requirements for your area. Additionally, Amazon also has its own set of guidelines and requirements for sellers, so be sure to review those before starting to sell on the platform. Obtaining a business license is not always a mandatory step when selling on Amazon, but it is important to be aware of your area's regulations and comply with them to avoid any legal issues down the road. Now, let's discuss the benefits of having an LLC for selling on Amazon. You know you want to start a business on Amazon, but you may be unsure why you would want to apply for an LLC. One of the most significant advantages of an LLC is that it protects your personal assets from potential legal problems that may arise from business activities. In addition, an LLC can provide tax advantages because profits and losses can be passed through to LLC members, who are taxed only on their individual income tax returns. This can help reduce the overall tax burden on your business. Let's go through one by one are the key benefits of having an LLC for selling on Amazon. Limits personal liability. Under an LLC, your business is viewed as a separate legal entity, offering protection to your personal assets such as your car, home, and personal bank account. This is beneficial in the event the business incurs debt, faces a lawsuit, or a member of the company commits any fraudulent activities. Builds credibility. The legitimacy of an LLC adds value to its authority in the marketplace and is seen as a serious competitor, as opposed to a company that only holds a sole proprietorship. In addition, the financial infrastructure of an LLC is separated from personal assets, which further strengthens the legality of a company's credibility. Possible tax advantages. One of the appeals for small businesses operating under an LLC is the tax benefits. Members can benefit from the protection of legal obligations related to their personal assets. This allows them to separate their personal assets from the business, which protects them if the business is sued, goes under, or faces litigation. Flexibility. The owner of an LLC has the option to register their business as a partnership, S-corporation, sole proprietorship, or corporation. This provides money-saving benefits to the business that best suits its needs. The flexibility in tax deductions for businesses also makes it appealing to choose an LLC as a business structure. Your choice of business structure will depend on your specific situation and goals. Many choose to form an LLC because it offers the best of both worlds, protection against personal liability and operational flexibility. Forming an LLC sounds complicated and expensive, but using an entity formation service guides you through the process so you know it was done right. Most popular service is Bizee, renowned for its free service. For just $0 plus state fees, clients can enjoy preparing and filing the articles of organization with a complimentary registered agent service for the first year. This comprehensive package not only ensures top-notch privacy safeguards but also provides excellent value for money. With Bizee, customers can rest assured that their easy, fast, and effective service, allowing them to focus on their business endeavors with confidence. Now, let's guide you the process of how to open an LLC for Amazon sellers. Now that you know the benefits of having an LLC for selling on Amazon, let's go over how to open an LLC for Amazon sellers. Decide on a name. Every company needs a name that not only reflects the personality of the company but also establishes brand equity. When choosing a company name, make sure it is simple, concise, inviting, and appealing. It's a good idea to brainstorm the possibilities and decide based on company values and how to portray them clearly and effectively. Assign a registered agent. To open an LLC for Amazon, you will need a registered agent who will act as your official point of contact to manage your legal documents, communication from the state, and service of process. Having a registered agent is a mandatory requirement for opening any corporation or LLC. The registered agent acts as a mediator between you, the Secretary of State, and the receiver of any services of process in the event of a lawsuit. File your Articles of Organization. Articles of Organization are part of a formal legal document used to form an LLC with the state. It collects information such as the name of the company, address, member information, and the business purpose of the LLC. This document also creates a binding legal obligation to the members of the LLC. Create your operating agreement. An operating agreement is similar to an article of organization. It adds legitimacy to a business in the form of documentation should the company be sued. An operating agreement also establishes an LLC's management structure, operating procedures, and liability statements. Get your EIN number. An Employer Identification Number, EIN, is a registered document that identifies your business to the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, for tax purposes. An EIN also allows your LLC to open a business bank account, which legitimizes your business as a whole. Register your business. If you're ready to register your LLC as an Amazon seller, Bizee has all the tools to help ensure a smooth transaction and clear up any confusing terminology. Now, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC using Bizee, and in the description down below you also find a review of their service. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service. Now, let me just show you what types of services Bizee provides to business owners. After arriving on their website, you will see the list of all the services they provide. Under the Start Your Business section, you will see 4 of their key services, which are form an LLC, C Corporation, S Corporation, and Nonprofit. As you can see, there are 3 different packages: Silver, Gold, and Platinum. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $236 in all the packages. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email support. Next, the Gold package, which costs $249. And this is the package I highly recommend, with filing EIN, which is a business tax number, Form 2553. It also comes with operating agreement, business bank account, lifetime company alerts, tax consultation, etc. In the next section, Bizee is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. After that, they ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. Bizee is providing registered agent service free for 1 year. And after that, it's $119 per year. Bizee is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. In the next section, Bizee will ask you whether you will set up a small U.S. business bank with Bank of America. Then if you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. In the Bizee dashboard, if you go to Legal and then Licenses and Permits, they can do this research for you and make sure that you have all the proper licenses and permits. After providing all the information, Bizee will be the one handling all the documents and registering your LLC on your behalf, so you won't need to go through any of these hassles. With Bizee, you can register for an EIN, map out an operating agreement, and assign a registered agent for your company, all in one place at an affordable price. Becoming an Amazon entrepreneur is a great choice. Selling on Amazon can be an exciting business that offers many growth opportunities. But it can be quite confusing when it comes to forming an LLC if you want your business to thrive. We want to save you the time and headaches of figuring out how to get your EIN, registered agent, or other necessary legal documents. Everything you need to start your LLC is all right here. Bizee will ensure a smooth ride when it comes to setting up your LLC, including all the support and tools available to you and guiding you forward to becoming an entrepreneur on Amazon.